Hey lights, hey everyone, you are welcome back to my channel. So yes, today I am going to be unboxing a new mic I got from Konga. Yeah, I was the one who paid for it. Okay, so I bought a dual mic so that I can be able to have other guests on this channel. So if you've been interested in knowing how this mic looks like, stick around and let's hit the intro. So yeah, welcome back to my channel. As you already know, we are unboxing and I'm going to go straight into the point, or straight to the point. English is hard, but that's by the way. So I have opened it before, but I haven't tested it, so let me just quickly open it. Okay, so this is it here. Yes, so bringing it out, this is how it is. This is how it came, and honestly I have not tested it. Okay, that's why I am using my own microphone that I got from Jumia. I got this one from Jumia. If you don't know how it works, you can go and check the link above. There's a card I'm going to drop for you above, so you can actually know how it looks like, okay, and how it works. So this is how it is. I don't know if you'll be able to see it. Oh, this is the back. Okay, let me bring it out from the pack first. Yes, okay, so tearing it out, this is how it looks like. So guys, I bought a dual mic. Yes, a dual mic. As you can see, the two stuff here. So I don't know, I will look a bit dark, but yeah, so that is it here. Okay, so this is the dual mic I bought. So let's open it, and mind you, what I am using to record this video is open camera. I always use open camera. Now if you don't know what open camera is, it is an application that helps you a lot, especially when you are using microphones and your phone is not compatible with them. So if your phone is not compatible with your mic, just go and download open camera. That's the advice I'm going to give you. So yes, this is how it came. You can see the dual mic. Wow, I can now have other people on my channel. And you know what I noticed? This wire is not as thick as this one. This is very, very thick. Let me see how it looks like, and I'm still going to test it, you guys know. So this is how it is, as long as, so this, and this, and this. So this is it for two people. I'm so happy, guys. I know that I'm going to be having other people on my channel very, very soon, because most people have been telling me, Lisa, collaborate with other people. How can I collaborate with people when I don't even have dual mic? So yes, that is why I bought the dual mic. So let me test it. Okay, so stick around. Yes, so yes guys, I got this. Let me first tell you how much I got this dual mic. First of all, I got it for the price of 3,500. okay, but for shipping and everything, it cost me 3,875 naira. So that means the shipping cost was 375 naira. Now I ordered this on Konga when I was in Abuja, but it did not come. So I'm glad that it has come, because I really needed it. Okay, you're going to be seeing some people on my channel very, very soon, like I said before. So I have plugged it to the phone already. I have plugged it to my phone, so let us try if it's going to work. So testing 1 2, testing 1 2, and testing 1 2. So yes, I was going to bring somebody over to try with me, but I don't have that kind of time, so let me just do it again. So testing 1 2, testing 1 2. Let's see if it's going to work. Okay, I'm going to check the video now to see if it works. Okay, yes. So obviously that didn't work. So what I did was to get, I know there are too many wires, was to get this adapter. If you've watched, like I said before, if you've watched my first lavalier mic that I'm using right now, you know that I got lots and lots of output wires and the rest. So this is the mic, and this is the wire that was given to me. It's a 3.5mm jack. It has a 3.5mm jack, and then it also has this one that you remember. So I'm not using this, but I decided to add this. I decided to take the microphone. For those who may be wanting to know how to put your microphone, I decided to put, this is the double mic, the dual mic, and I added it to that other output wire, and then let's try it. If it works, then fine, we'll continue. Okay, so while it's being connected, let's try it. Hi guys. So I guess it's working, because I tried it before I videoed this, or before I recorded this. Okay, so it is working now. So hopefully we'll get a wireless mic very, very soon. Okay, because I cannot be doing all this. I can't be hello, no. But this is just for those who want to use the dual mic. Make sure that you get an output wire. I think I'll write it on the screen below so that you can actually know what to do. So till I meet you next, don't forget, I love you as always, and if you have any question, don't forget or don't hesitate to ask them, and I'll answer them for you. So yes, I will see you in my next video, and stay safe as always. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel if you found this very useful, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.